how to remove app locks on your iPhone using shortcuts. So if you want to remove app locks on your iPhone using shortcuts, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your shortcuts application, which will be pre-installed on your device. After opening your shortcuts, you need to go with the automation option. From the automation, you need to go with the plus, which will be in the top right, or just simply go back, and here under automation, you'll see a list of automations which you created for locking your apps. So if you have locked your apps using your shortcuts, then you will have all of the automations right here that you've used while locking your app. So what you need to do is to remove the automations on your shortcuts. You need to just simply swipe left and you will find an option of delete right here. So just simply tap on delete where it says app lock. And once you've deleted, you need to go back, and now it will remove all of your app locks on your iPhone using your shortcuts. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.